Hey y'all, today Miss Ad and I are going to show you how we make sweet potatoes in an electric pressure cooker.
Oh, we're having a whole lot of fun. So you ready
With
to
the brown
try
sugar.
them? Because I sure am.
Hey y'all, welcome back to another edition of Cooking Chris's Dishes with the good old boy.
And Miss Ad.
And today we're going to show you how we make sweet potatoes in an electric pressure cooker. This is something usually that takes a few hours to make, or if you want to bake them, or you know, some people say they can put them in their microwave. That's fine. This is just another way of showing y'all how you can do it using an electric pressure cooker. Why would you want to do it in an electric pressure cooker versus your microwave, your stove, your oven, whatever? Real estate, heat. The fact you might be using something else in your microwave, you need to find some way to make sweet potatoes in like 16 minutes or less, and so that's what we're going to do now. According to Chris on the blog, this takes a total of 21 minutes if you count the time that it takes to get your sweet potatoes ready. How do you get your sweet potatoes ready? Well, you wash them. That's pretty much it. Also, you score them using a fork. All I did, I've got six, had to count sweet potatoes, and all I want to do, I cut off like the little stemmy dangly things that come off of it, you know, kind of make them pretty. And then I just take a fork and I score them. And why do you want to score them, Miss Ad?
Because they'll explode.
Yeah, you don't want your sweet potatoes to split, just like if you did a potato or a sweet potato in a microwave. The steam, because there's water on the inside of this, a little moisture, and the steam expands, and you don't want your potatoes to expand and go
Boom.
just like that. Yeah, so just score your sweet potatoes, put some holes in them, just like that. And now they're scored. I did the others already, so you don't have to watch me do it. And then you take them and you put them in your electric pressure cooker. This is I think this is a 5-quart? 4 to 6 quart electric pressure cooker is what you want to use. And we're using our Farberware one. Mainly because that's the first one I grabbed, but any electric pressure cooker should do. This particular one does not have a manual setting on it, but it has a vegetable setting on it, which is what you want to use, and it allows you to mess with your time here a little bit. Any of your other electric pressure cookers should work. You just want to cook them for 16 minutes. If your sweet potatoes are all on the larger side, you might want to add a few minutes to that to cook them through. These are normal sweet taters, so that's what we're going to use. Miss Ad, I need to go grab a cup of water. Would you put those in there for me?
Okay.
And if y'all notice,
Do you want to like evenly spaced out or something?
well, yeah, kind of like this, right? Hold, here, pick that up. Evenly spaced, just like that.
Yeah.
By the way, did you notice? Back by popular demand, we have the overhead shot so that you can see sweet potatoes in the Instant Pot, or
Welcome
in the electric pressure cooker is what this is. 1 cup of water, pour them over your sweet potatoes, and then put a lid on it. Go ahead. See if you can figure it out first try. Close.
Wait.
Closer. Closer. Not close enough. Right here. Hear that little singing sound? And then one thing y'all want to make sure you do, this little vent on top, make sure it is set to seal, not vent. So it's sealed, it should be locked in place. It's sung to me. And now I'm going to go to vegetable steam, which is setting number 7 on your Farberware if you're using this particular brand. Evidently that's not a button, you do it like this. No, you do it like menu. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There we go. And then start. There we go. Now it's going to heat up. It's going to get the pressure. It's going to cook those sweet potatoes for 16 minutes. See, it took a total of 21. Minus all the time it took for me to figure out my Farberware again. But it's going to cook for 16 minutes, and then when those 16 minutes are up, we're going to come back, we're going to go do a quick release, and we're going to enjoy some sweet taters with some of our favorite toppings in 3, 2, 1. And 16 minutes has came and went, and now all you got to do is vent that sucker like this. Of course, you see, I was outside playing my guitar while this was going, and I got really good into the jam, so it's already done vented itself. So, we'll take the lid off. Oh, look at the steam on that. Sweet potatoes smell good, y'all. So now we're going to take one of these, and we got to try it, right? Do we need to try it? I mean, they look good the way they are. We don't really need to try them, do we?
We need to try
Yeah, we need to try them. Addie says we need to try them, so I'm just going to take me one of them sweet taters and slice her. Ooh! Let me tell you, they're hot and mushy. Perfectly mushy.
Yum.
Still hot.
Careful!
Stop doing that, Dad. And then I'm just going to take a wee bit of butter. Oh, this butter's been sitting out on the counter. We let this butter come to room temperature, so I can't just cut into it. Take a little bit of butter right in there. And then Miss Ad likes brown sugar. Now, we're still doing low carb, even though we're eating sweet potatoes, and sweet potatoes aren't necessarily low
Well,
carb.
more low carb than normal potatoes.
Yeah, well, yeah. And,
They have
well, I don't know. I haven't done the scientific research on that, so.
I don't know, maybe they have a bunch of fiber, who knows.
But let's just say you wanted some brown sugar. We got Sucre and Gold,
Yay.
but you could use any kind of brown sugar you want to. Right on top of that there while that butter's melting. And then I am a big fan of cinnamon.
Cinnamon.
Yeah, that too. I love that stuff. So I'll take me just a little bit of cinnamon right on top like there. And that is good. Now Miss Ad, she likes marshmallows in hers. So, because Miss Ad's here, I'm going to take a marshmallow and put in it. Right there.
This is the best.
I'm going to take it just like this and get a bite because I'm not big on marshmallows. I'm just going to mush it all in there just like you do. Make sure you get that butter in there and let it all meld in.
So you ready
with the
to
brown
try 'em?
sugar.
Because I sure am. I waited to do that joke all day.
She's been waiting to do that joke all day. You know what? You're going to start writing the content from now on. You're doing a pretty good job there.
Yay!
All right. Here we'll get you a little marshmallow piece. Put it in there if you want to scoop that. That's yours. I'll take this right here. Mm-hmm.
How much did you do?
And that's sweet taters. That's sweet taters in as long as you can figure out your Instant Pot, electric, pressure cooker, crock pot, instant pressure cooker, whatever, whichever kind you got. As long as you can figure out the buttons, it only takes about 20 minutes. That's prep and cook to eat. And it's going to save a lot of heat from using the stove. It's also going to save some time since you don't want to, if you want to save some time on the stove as well as real estate on the stove, use a pressure cooker. That's what they're for, y'all. And those are good sweet taters. I like them. And I hope that if you like this kind of stuff, these kind of videos, whether it's sweet taters or meats, or maybe it's the personalities on board, like the little pun master over here, we ask that you like this video down below. Also, if you've not become a member of the Crock Posse, down below is a little button that says subscribe. If you will click that button, you will be a welcomed member of the Crock Posse. And whatever you do, laugh often.
Eat good food.
And speak life. See y'all.
Bye.
I'm gonna keep eating your sweet tater.
Huh?
Okay?
I think we did.
I don't think so. Stop. Time cook. 7. Wow. Menu. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Time cook. 8 minutes. I want to go for 16 minutes. There, I figured it out. 16 minutes. I do not want the warmer on, so make sure the warmer is off. I did it wrong again. Menu. 7. Time cook. 16 minutes. Start.
Is it okay if I have the rest of this?
That's fine.
See ya.
If you want to see the latest, click on the left right here. If you feel like subscribing, click on the right, my dear. And if you think we're funny enough to send us money, click the